Are you in search of heavy-duty tools for crimping lugs and large gauge wire? Hi, I'm Logan with DMC. Today, I will demonstrate how to use our 120 series hydraulic form crimp tools. These tools produce 12 tons of crimp force and cover a wire range from 8 to 4/0, making them ideal for large conductors. These heavy-duty crimp tools come in manual hydraulic, battery hydraulic, and remote hydraulic varieties. The HD120 is our manual hydraulic tool in this series. It is a two-stage hydraulic system that assists with crimping large components by minimizing the number of handle closures needed to complete the crimp. The built-in automatic pressure relief valve prevents overcompression, and the automatic die retraction indicates when the crimp cycle is complete. Padded handles provide operators with a comfortable grip, and the tool's 340-degree rotating head makes it easy to work with in confined spaces. The tool's hydraulic pump is filled with biodegradable hydraulic fluid at the factory and does not need to be bled or primed. The HDE120C is the battery hydraulic tool in this series. On average, the tool can complete 150 crimps per charge at a rate of 2 seconds per crimp. Like the HD120, this tool also features a 340-degree rotating head and uses biodegradable hydraulic fluid. This tool boasts digital features, including built-in technology that tracks tool performance, users, and crimp data. The data can be viewed on the LED display or downloaded via an app. The HDE120C is packaged in a carrying case that includes the tool, two 18-volt, 3-amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, and a battery charger. The TBHD1M remote hydraulic crimp head is QPL approved and is MIL qualified to MS 25441-1. It can be used as a handheld tool or mounted on the BM2A bench mount. The TBHD1M features a retractable spring plunger and can be powered by multiple pumps, including our pneumatic, battery, and manual pumps. All tools in the 120 series utilize interchangeable dies suitable for insulated, uninsulated, and aluminum lugs. Dies are installed into the HD120 and HDE120C in a similar fashion. First, select the dies that are appropriate for your application. Remove the safety wire pins and unlatch the safety wire rope. Remove the pull pin to swing the bridge open on the crimp head. Place the movable die haft between the die rails and snap it into the bottom button. Place the stationary die haft between the die rails so that the flat die spring rests on top of the die rail ends. Swing the bridge back into place and snap the stationary die into the button located on the bridge. Replace the pull pin and secure the safety wire rope to the tool head. With the appropriate die in the tool, close the handles and rotate the handle release knob 180 degrees. When the handle pressure is released, the movable handle will come up under spring pressure. Place and position your lug and wire. Cycle the tool handles to slightly clamp the lug and check that it is in the proper position. Actuate the tool's handles. A positive trip will be heard and felt when the cycle is complete. The movable die will automatically retract when the crimp is complete. To crimp with the HDE120C, place a lug in the movable die haft and squeeze the trigger until the movable die advances to lightly clamp the lug, but not deform it. Insert the conductor into the lug, making sure that the conductor is pushed fully into the lug's crimp barrel. Actuate the tool to complete the crimp. When the crimp is complete, the movable die will automatically retract. Now, I will demonstrate how to use the TBHD1M with the HPU11M pump. First, select the dies for your application. Take the quick release pin out of the safety cage. Pull the spring plunger out and rotate the yoke to remove it from the main body. Place the movable die haft into the die rails of the main body and the stationary die haft into the yoke. Pull the spring plunger up so that it is out of the way and rotate the yoke back into the locked position. With the tool connected to the pump, place a lug and conductor in the nest of the stationary die. Operate the HDE120M pump by pressing the pressure lever to start the flow of hydraulic fluid and build the pressure to 10,000 psi. Crimping with less than 10,000 psi can result in insufficient compression and produce bad crimps. Remove the lug when the crimp is complete. Periodic gauging is recommended to verify the accuracy of your tool. Gauges are selected based on the dies being used. Please reference our catalog or website to find the appropriate gauge for your die set. For calibration and repair services, contact DMC or the authorized repair center in your area. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. You can also follow us on our other social media, linked below.